Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Through this video, I'm going to talk about three important terms that are very beautiful and amazing one. And the terms I'm going to share with you that you can see first one, daily. Then second one, shelly. Then third one, that is last one, that you can see roly poly. Now, let's begin with the first one. Here you can see first one, daily. And this rhyming word here is used as a verb form that denotes হেলায় সময় কাটানো. হেলায় সময় কাটানো. And if we make a sentence by using this term, here we can write, don't dilly-dally on the way home from school. Don't dilly-dally on way home from school. অর্থাৎ বিদ্যালয় থেকে বাড়ি ফেরার পথে সময় ব্যয় করো না, বা বিদ্যালয় থেকে বাড়ি ফেরার পথে হেলায় সময় ব্যয় করো না. Then second one, very interesting one, here you can see shelly. This is also used as a verb form in English. It is used as a verb form in English that denotes দ্বিধাগ্রস্ত হওয়া বা কোনো বিষয়ে খুঁতখুত করা. দ্বিধাগ্রস্ত হওয়া বা কোনো বিষয়ে খুঁতখুত করা. Now, let's see an example by using this term. Here we can write, don't shilly just make a decision. Don't shilly just make a decision. অর্থাৎ দ্বিধাগ্রস্ত হইও না, শুধু একটা সিদ্ধান্ত নাও. দ্বিধাগ্রস্ত হইও না, শুধু একটা সিদ্ধান্ত নাও. Then third one, very interesting one. Here goes the third one. You can see roly poly. And here we have to remember in mind that roly poly is used as a noun form. Roly poly is used as a noun form that denotes বেটে ও হুষ্টপুষ্ট শিশু. বেটে ও হুষ্টপুষ্ট শিশু. And if we make a sentence by using this term, that is roly-poly, here we can say they have two roly-poly little boys. They have two roly-poly little boys. অর্থাৎ তাদের দুজন ছোট্ট পেটে ও হুষ্টপুষ্ট ছেলে আছে. তাদের দুজন ছোট পেটে ও হুষ্টপুষ্ট ছেলে রয়েছে. Thanks for watching. Bye.